How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an armored Triceratops. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. Armored dinosaurs are awesome. So let's get started, okay? It's going to be short, by the way, too, so stay all the way to the very end of the lesson, and I'm going to let you know a couple of things at the end. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a kind of line right there for the front of the kind of snout area. Going up right here for the Triceratops horn, which is a very, very big, famous horn. Over here, curve down, pull up, line underneath the bottom of the mouth. Out over here, line out over here. Down, curve. Alrighty, that's one horn, right there in the front. Let's draw the other horn, kind of in the back, right there. Curve. And over here in this area, up, down, and then curve underneath for the eye. Gonna go over here, curve off the horn, down over here for the kind of that beak area that he has, and I'm gonna go over here and draw the nostril. Curve underneath. Let's go over here the cheekbone, in like that. It's got like a spike for the cheekbone. Okay, pulling back and up. Gonna go over here, up, over here, up, for the kind of crescent. It's gonna be like a circle, but at the same time, you're gonna curve it like so. Gonna pull underneath for the kind of neck area, and let's pull a curve right here for the eye. Kind of give it personality. So far, we have the head right there, right? Pretty simple, I think. Don't forget, line right there. Don't forget, absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like that kind of stuff. Absolutely reach out, say hi also. But when you hit the subscribe and bell notification, it's gonna let you know when I post. You're gonna be able to look on your feed and see the video that's going on that day. So let's draw a little armor right here. We're gonna draw a line here, line here. All it is the end of the tip so far. All right. Gonna go kind of around the shoulder here, pull up in there, and it's gonna curve down, down, down right here. And what's gonna happen is there's some armor right there, right? It's an armored thing. So we're gonna draw a line, line, line. We got that armor on that shoulder. Gonna go from here, pull in a bit, pull down to the leg, line here for one toe, another toe, and another toe. Pull back here for the arm, up, curve, curve. Gonna go over here to the top, line, up, down for kind of we're gonna give him some spikes, but this is gonna be the armor, not the back. It's kind of doing that, just like an overarching curve, but it's gonna have some kind of spikes to it. Okay, gonna go from the top, pull down, curve inside, pull up, curve around the corner here, down. These shapes are kind of abstract. Think of them like puzzle pieces or something, right? Right there, maybe like a curve down. It's gonna maybe pull down here and pull back out. Pulling up over here, curve, down over here, Line down, curve up. Okay, let's do the bottom of the stomach here. Curve underneath. Let's throw like maybe a line like it's strapped on his back. Down over here. And I'm going to curve around here for the tail because I have the tail swinging back a bit. Over here I'm going to do the hind leg. Down. Curve back here. Down. And curve around here. Okay, his foot's kind of hidden behind that tail. Line, line. And now over here at the end of the, I'm going to put a kind of a diamond shape at the end of the tail. Because that's actually going to be part of the armor. Don't forget hit that like button if you do like this. I can do other armored stuff, maybe an armored T-Rex. You just gotta reach out to me and say, hey, what's up? Or, you know, or sorry, just hit the like because that's gonna let me know. I'm gonna go down over here for the back foot, pulling in. And I'm gonna actually kind of throw some lines across that, or just, you know, short of like filling it in straight up. Down over here. So, curve, 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 curve. So you have these notches down there representing this kind of armored tail. And you can throw little spikes out of that if you want. That's optional. Okay. If you want as well, if you want to go into detail, you can always kind of go in here and draw a little thing right there. See, it's going to look like the design is, like the armor is designed, right? A little bit more. So these little shapes on the outside. I'm not really sure what they call that, but you can do something like that there. Curve. You can put like an extra one back here for that spike. But that's pretty much it. If you want to add more to this, a lot of this is going to be detail-oriented stuff. So for example, like a thin line underneath the eye area, right? To make him look a little bit more realistic. A line up the crest right there. Curve line here on the side. Curve line here on the bending of the legs, right? To make it look more organic. At least at those parts. Couple of things on the armor, you know, you could draw a couple of thin lines to make it look a little bit more dimensional, but it's completely up to you, okay? I want to thank you for following. You're amazing. Don't forget to pick up the new sticker. It's the Godzilla Artist sticker. Pick that up. It is, you know, awesome. I'm glad, you know, I put it out there. Thank you so much. It's only like $3, and that's it. I'll talk to you in the next video. For skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.